The universe is filled with wonders, vast and small. Our senses connect us to the cosmos, with sight being the most remarkable. Through our eyes, we witness the birth of stars and the intricate dance of life on Earth. Sight enables us to navigate our world, from the simplest tasks to the most complex endeavors. Imagine trying to walk across a room, drive a car, or read a book without the ability to see. Light from the sun or a lamp reflects off objects, carrying with it a story of shape, color, and distance. This remarkable organ acts as a biological camera, capturing light and converting it into electrical signals. Join me as we embark on this adventure to understand the miracle of sight. Our journey begins with light, the very essence of vision. The first structure it encounters is the cornea, a transparent dome at the front of the eye. The cornea acts like a window, allowing light to pass through and enter the eye. It plays a crucial role in bending or refracting the incoming light. Without the cornea's refractive power, the light would scatter, and our vision would be blurry and indistinct. The cornea's smooth, wet surface also helps to protect the eye. Together, the cornea and lens work in harmony, ensuring that the images we perceive are sharp and clear. As light passes through the cornea, it continues its journey inward, encountering the lens. This remarkable structure, resembling a tiny transparent lentil, sits behind the iris, the colored part of the eye. Unlike the cornea, which has a fixed shape, the lens is flexible. It can change its curvature, allowing us to focus on objects at varying distances. This ability to adjust focus is called accommodation. The lens's ability to accommodate declines with age, making it harder to focus on near objects. Next, we'll explore the retina, the eye's innermost layer where light is transformed into electrical signals that the brain can understand. Our journey now takes us to the retina, a thin layer of tissue lining the back of the eye. Imagine the retina as a delicate canvas, upon which the lens projects the images we see. The retina is a complex network of specialized cells, each playing a vital role in visual processing. The most important of these cells are the photoreceptors, named for their ability to convert light into electrical signals. There are two types of photoreceptors, rods and cones. Rods are highly sensitive to light and allow us to see in dim conditions. Cones, on the other hand, are responsible for our ability to see color and fine detail. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into the world of rods and cones, exploring their unique characteristics and how they work together to paint our visual world. Rods and cones, the two types of photoreceptors in the retina, are responsible for our remarkable ability to see in a wide range of light conditions and perceive a vast spectrum of colors. Rods, numbering about 120 million in each eye, are far more numerous than cones. They are highly sensitive to light, allowing us to see in dim conditions, such as moonlight or starlight. However, rods cannot distinguish between colors. Cones, on the other hand, are less sensitive to light but are responsible for our color vision. The brain combines signals from red, green, and blue cones to create our perception of the full spectrum of colors. Together, rods and cones provide us with a rich and vibrant visual experience. The journey of light transformation doesn't end in the retina. In fact, it is just the beginning of a fascinating process that allows us to see the world around us. The electrical signals generated by the rods and cones must be transmitted to the brain for interpretation. These tiny photoreceptor cells convert light into electrical impulses, which are then relayed to the brain. This crucial task falls upon the optic nerve, a bundle of nerve fibers that acts as a high-speed information highway connecting the eye to the brain. The optic nerve is essential for transmitting the visual information quickly and efficiently. These signals travel at remarkable speed, racing towards the brain's visual cortex, where they will be decoded and assembled into a meaningful image. The speed and accuracy of this process are truly astonishing. The point where the optic nerve exits the eye is known as the blind spot. This area lacks photoreceptors, making it insensitive to light. We are usually unaware of our blind spot because the brain fills in the missing information, creating a seamless visual experience. This remarkable ability of the brain ensures that our vision remains uninterrupted and continuous. In the next section, we'll delve into the brain's visual cortex, exploring how this complex network of neurons deciphers the electrical signals from the optic nerve. ultimately giving rise to our visual perception of the world. This intricate process is what allows us to interpret and understand the visual stimuli we encounter every day. The optic nerve delivers its torrent of electrical signals to the visual cortex, located at the back of the brain. This region is crucial for transforming raw data into meaningful visual experiences. Here, in this wrinkled, walnut-shaped structure, the true magic of vision unfolds. The visual cortex is a marvel of biological engineering, finely tuned to interpret the world around us. The visual cortex is no mere passive recipient of information. It is an active interpreter, a master conductor orchestrating a symphony of neural activity to create the world we see. It deciphers patterns, contrasts, and movements, turning electrical impulses into vivid images. Some regions are dedicated to analyzing color, distinguishing the myriad hues that paint our world, while others focus on motion, tracking the fluidity and speed of objects as they move through space, shape, identifying the contours and edges that define objects or depth, gauging the distance and spatial relationships between them. The brain then integrates these individual pieces of information, like assembling a jigsaw puzzle, to create a unified and coherent visual experience. This integration is seamless, allowing us to perceive a continuous and stable environment. This process is remarkably complex and still not fully understood. Scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of how our brains achieve such a feat. From the moment we are born, our brains are bombarded with visual stimuli, shaping and refining our neural connections. These early experiences are crucial for the development of our visual system. With each new experience, new pathways are formed, and old ones are strengthened, allowing us to perceive the world with increasing detail and sophistication. This lifelong process of learning and adaptation ensures that our vision remains sharp and responsive to our ever-changing environment. Evolution has endowed the human eye with an array of protective mechanisms, a testament to the importance of vision for survival. The first line of defense is the eyelids, two movable folds of skin that act like shutters, protecting the eye from injury and excessive light. They reflexively blink several times a minute, spreading tears across the cornea to keep it moist and clear of debris. The eyelashes serve as sentinels, triggering the blink reflex whenever dust or other foreign objects come too close. The bony socket in which the eye sits provides further protection, cushioning it from impact. These protective mechanisms highlight the preciousness of sight and the lengths to which our bodies go to preserve it. While the human eye is a marvel of biological engineering, it is not immune to problems. Vision problems can arise from a variety of factors, ranging from genetics and aging to injury and disease. One of the most common vision problems is refractive errors, where the eye cannot properly focus light on the retina. Nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism are all examples of refractive errors, each causing blurry vision at different distances. Another common condition is cataracts, a clouding of the lens that interferes with light transmission, leading to blurred vision. Age-related macular degeneration affects the central part of the retina, causing distorted vision and, in severe cases, blindness. These are just a few examples of the many vision problems that can affect people of all ages. Throughout history, vision problems have posed significant challenges, often leading to impaired quality of life and even blindness. People struggled with daily tasks, and their ability to work and enjoy life was severely limited. However, thanks to remarkable advancements in eye care, we are now witnessing a revolution in our ability to diagnose, treat, and even prevent vision loss. Modern technology has transformed the landscape of ophthalmology, making it possible to detect issues earlier and provide more effective treatments. From corrective lenses to laser surgery, the field of ophthalmology has made remarkable strides in restoring and enhancing vision. These advancements have not only improved the quality of life for many, but have also opened up new possibilities for those who were once considered untreatable. Eyeglasses and contact lenses have evolved into sophisticated optical instruments, providing sharp, clear vision for millions worldwide. They come in various designs and materials, catering to different needs and preferences, ensuring comfort and style. Refractive surgery procedures such as LASIK and PRK use lasers to reshape the cornea, correcting refractive errors. These surgeries have become increasingly popular due to their high success rates and the relatively quick recovery times. Gene therapy holds promise for treating inherited retinal diseases, while artificial retinas and bionic eyes are being developed to restore sight. These cutting-edge technologies are still in the experimental stages but offer hope for the future. The future of eye care is bright, with ongoing research and innovation paving the way for even more effective treatments and cures for vision problems. As scientists and doctors continue to push the boundaries, we can look forward to a world where vision loss is no longer a barrier to living a full and active life. Our exploration of the human eye has revealed a marvel of biological engineering. From the moment light enters the cornea, it embarks on a remarkable journey, refracted, focused, and transformed into electrical signals that race along the optic nerve to the brain. There, in the visual cortex, these signals are decoded and interpreted, giving rise to our perception of the world. We have delved into the intricate workings of the eye's components: the cornea, lens, retina, rods, cones, and optic nerve, each playing a vital role in this intricate process. The human eye, in its complexity and elegance, serves as a constant reminder of the wonders of the natural world and the importance of cherishing and protecting our precious gift of sight. Let us marvel at the beauty that surrounds us and appreciate the remarkable organ that allows us to experience it all.